Hello everyone, welcome to Den Talks. So today we are here with another video for you. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. There's a rumor in the air. Have you heard of Apple bringing a new series of iPhones? Well, we have something for you. Though Apple has not announced anything about it, the release of the Apple iPhone 13 series is expected in September 2021. In October of last year, Apple introduced the iPhone 12 series, which had four models: the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and iPhone 12 Tiny. While Apple has not revealed any specifics regarding its iPhone 13 variants for this year, the four-phone tradition is anticipated to continue. A well-known tipster on the Chinese microblogging platform Weibo has revealed the battery capacity for the four versions. The battery capacity for three iPhone 13 models has been published by Digital Chat Station, and given that the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro have the same battery capacity, the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro should have the same. As a replacement for the iPhone 12 series, Apple is likely to release four new iPhone models. The iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max are supposed to be among them. iPhone 13 series battery specifications have leaked online ahead of Apple's WWDC 2021 event, when the firm is likely to reveal iOS 15 and a new MacBook Pro. The rumored iPhone 13 series battery data have been obtained by Chinese source Digital Chat Station ahead of the official unveiling. The battery capacity of three iPhone 13 models has been stated by the tipster, which is thought to be the iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Small. Because the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 have the same design factor, their battery capacities are expected to be the same. According to the source, the top-end 2021 iPhone 13 Pro Max would have a 4,352 mAh battery, up to 3,687 mAh on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. A 3,905 mAh battery will power the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro. Finally, the iPhone 13 Small will have a 2,406 mAh battery, which is somewhat larger than the iPhone 12 mini's 2,227 mAh cell. Apple is said to be introducing 120Hz OLED panels on the Pro versions, so the larger batteries make sense. According to previous rumors, the iPhone 13 Pro variants would have a 120Hz OLED display. The iPhone 13 Pro and regular iPhone 13 are expected to have a 6.1-inch screen, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max is expected to have a 6.7-inch display. Along with the iPhone 13, a 5.4-inch iPhone 13 mini is expected to be released. The display is the same size as the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max devices from the current generation. While the display size remains the same, the notch on the iPhone 13 series shrinks by 33%. The earpiece has been relocated to the top bezel to save space, according to leaked iPhone 13 render pictures. Face ID sensors are still present in the iPhone 13. Always-on display is another feature that will be available in the iPhone 13 Pro series. The camera hump on the rear is rumored to be larger than the iPhone 12 Pro. It's possible that Apple may include a larger sensor in the iPhone 13 Pro versions, resulting in a larger camera module. It will include three camera sensors, as well as a LiDAR sensor and an LED flash. According to a previous source, all four iPhone 13 models would come with an improved ultra-wide camera lens with a larger f-stop 1.8 aperture. However, according to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the enhanced ultra-wide camera will only be featured on the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. This was it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Do let us know in the comments below what you think about the new iPhone series. Do you think the rumors hold water? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so you don't miss a new video.